Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Mr. English Buddy channel. I'm Jessie, and I'm very happy to see you today.
Hi friends. I'm Ralph. I hope you are feeling good and relaxed.
Today's video is special. We will talk about your year.
Yes, the good things, the hard things, and the small moments too.
The title is Let's Talk About Your Year in English Speaking Practice. This video is for beginners. Simple English, slow English, real English.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot.
Okay, take a deep breath. Let's talk about your year in English. Ralph, when we say your year, what does it mean?
It means the last 12 months, from January to December, or from last year to now.
Yes, your year has many days, many moments, good days and bad days.
And today we talk about it with simple English.
Ralph, let me ask you a simple question. How was your year?
My year was good.
That's a great answer. Very simple.
Yes, you can also say, my year was okay. My year was busy. My year was hard.
All answers are okay. Be honest. Let's talk about good things first. Good things make us smile.
Yes, you can say, this year was good because...
For example, this year was good because I learned English.
Nice. You can say, this year was good because I met new people.
You can also say, I am happy about this year.
Happiness is important.
Now let's talk about difficult things. This part is important too.
Yes, life is not always easy.
You can say, this year was hard. Or, this year was difficult.
For example, this year was hard because I was very busy.
Or, this year was difficult because I felt tired.
It's okay to say this. You are not alone.
Many people talk about work or study when they talk about their year.
Yes, you can say, this year, I worked a lot. This year, I studied English.
For example, this year, I studied every day.
That is very good.
You can also say, this year, I changed my job. Or, this year, I started school. Ralph, not all wins are big.
That's true. Small wins are important.
You can say, this year, I learned new words. This year, I spoke more English.
Or, this year, I tried something new.
Trying is a win. Now let's talk about feelings.
Feelings are easy to say in English.
You can say, this year, I felt happy. This year, I felt tired. This year, I felt proud.
For example, this year, I felt proud of myself.
That is a very good sentence. Let's do a short real-life conversation.
Okay.
How was your year?
My year was busy, but good.
Why was it good?
Because I learned English.
That's great.
See? Simple conversation. Real English.
Many people also talk about the next year.
Yes, but keep it simple.
You can say, next year, I want to learn more English.
Or, next year I want to be better. Short and clear. Here is a practice tip.
Talk about your year out loud.
Use a mirror. Use your phone. Use your voice.
5 minutes is enough. Now it's time for learning moments. Let's review 5 simple English phrases from today. 1. My year was. Use this to start talking about your year. Example. My year was good. My year was hard. 2. This year, I. Use this to talk about actions. Example. This year, I worked a lot. 3. Because. Use this to give a reason. Example. My year was good because I learned English. 4. I felt. Use this to talk about feelings. Example. I felt happy. I felt tired. 5. Next year, I want to. Use this to talk about the future. Example. Next year, I want to improve my English.
Today we talked about your year.
Yes. The good things. The hard things. And your feelings.
Remember, simple English is good English.
You don't need long sentences. You just need to speak.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Please like, subscribe, and comment below.
Here is today's question for you. How was your year?
Write 1 or 2 sentences in the comments.
We want to read your answers. See you next time.
Keep practicing every day. You are doing great. Bye.